If you're looking for a cold email tool that lets you send at scale without killing deliverability, Smartlead is probably on your radar. In this video, I'll give you a straightforward Smartlead review and tutorial, what it does well, where it doesn't, and exactly how to set it up from scratch even if you are a complete beginner. To kick things off, what is Smartlead? Smartlead is a cold email platform built for sending from multiple inboxes safely. Instead of blasting emails from one account, Smartlead rotates messages across many inboxes, which helps protect your domain and also improve inbox placement. Now, who is Smartlead for? Smartlead is best for cold email agencies, lead gen businesses, and also B2B outreach at scale. If you're only sending a few emails per day, this may be more than you need. But for scale, it's one of the strongest tools available. Now let's quickly look at the pricing, and then from there I'll be showing you how to set it up. If we were to go onto their pricing page, you can see that their basic plan begins at $39 per month. With this $39 per month plan, you'll be able to send up to 6,000 emails per month, and you'll be able to verify up to 2,000 emails. And if we were to go onto their pro plan, you'll be able to send up to 90,000 emails, and you'll be able to verify 30,000 emails. So it all depends on the amount of emails that you're sending per month, and also the amount of verified emails. And by scrolling down, you can see that they actually have 4 pricing tiers. So if you were to go onto their unlimited smart option, from there, you'll be able to add more contacts, so you'll be able to add unlimited contacts, and you'll be able to verify over 50,000 emails, as you can see right here, which is definitely a good option, and I would consider it a no-brainer once you're serious about email marketing. If you were to scroll down, you can also see that you would get CRM access and numerous other options by scrolling down. They also offer added features. So for instance, by scrolling down, you can see right there that they also offer Google domain, and you'll also get Outlook provider and different options if you would like to explore that. Now let's look at the dashboard. Once you go onto smartlead.ai, you'll be able to sign up for free, and I've also included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to this page. And the first thing you're going to do is connect your emails. To connect your emails, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you'll select email accounts. From here, you can scroll down and you're given a few options. First, you can connect Google email, so you could tap on Google right there. You could also connect Outlook, or you could scroll down and you could choose the bulk upload emails if you want, so you can do that right there. By the way, after you have added your emails, you can view everything from the master inbox from the left-hand menu option. So this is where you'll get a unified inbox where you'll be able to view everything from the multiple domains or email accounts that you have added. Then from there, what I would recommend you do next, instead of start sending emails straight away, I would recommend that you warm up your inboxes. And with Smartlead, you can also do that depending on the pricing option that you go on. You can warm it up. You can also use their email verifier. Once you are finished doing that, you'll be able to create your first email campaign. So you can tap on email campaigns from the left-hand menu option. From here, you could tap on create my first campaign. After selecting create my first campaign, from here we can upload our existing contacts, or you can use their smart prospect option to search for prospects. So you could tap right there. After you have tapped on their smart prospect option, from here you can see how the dashboard will look, and you can start searching whether by company, or you can choose to search by domain, or they have different options. So this is how you'll be able to do that. And once you have found the prospects, you'll be able to start sending your emails. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, you can also see different things. So for example, you will be able to view all of your leads by tapping on all leads. You can also use their CRM feature, so you could tap on CRM. You can also tap on integrations, and from here you'll be able to connect different platforms. For example, you can connect HubSpot, you can connect Play, you can see the different options right there. By scrolling down, if we were to tap on Smart Delivery, from here you'll see the option Manual Test. This is where you can ensure your emails get delivered with your one-time deliverability test. So you'll be able to run a test right here if you want. And you can scroll down. You could also join their Smartlead University, and you can also view the different Smartlead events. Now let's talk about the pros and cons when it comes onto Smartlead. First, it offers excellent inbox rotation, it scales extremely well, and it also offers a clean interface as you can see by watching this tutorial, and it offers agency-friendly pricing, but there are a few pullbacks. First, when it comes onto their lead finder, it is limited as you can see right here compared to other platforms. For example, like snuv.io. When it comes onto snuv.io, you're given numerous lead finder options. So whether it be you like to find by name or so on, or by LinkedIn search, domain search, there are numerous options that you're provided with. So that is a major pullback. It also assumes that you already understand cold email basics, and it is not ideal for small senders, but it is a great platform. Compared to beginner all-in-one tools, Smartlead is more focused on sending infrastructure. Now, if scaling and deliverability matters to you, that's a good thing. Now, in conclusion, if you're serious about cold email and want to scale safely, Smartlead is one of the best tools available right now. Just make sure your inboxes are warmed up and lead lists are clean. That's where most people go wrong. Hope you found this review and tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.